This is a video to show you how you can use OrbitNotes to interact with PDFs in Teams. The first thing that you need to do is access your class team, and you can do that by going to My Apps, scrolling down to Apps, which is in alphabetical order, and finding Teams. Clicking on it should automatically log you in. If it doesn't, use your SD71 email address to log in. Once you're in Teams, you can access all of your assignments by clicking on the little backpack on the left sidebar. Alternatively, you could click on your Teams and go directly to your class team that you know will house that assignment. Click on the assignment, and you can use Immersive Reader to have the assignment read to you. To open the actual PDF, click on the three dots and click on Download. This will download that PDF to your local machine. Now we're going to access OrbitNote. OrbitNote is a browser extension located right next to your URL bar. If you do not have it installed, check the description below for instructions on how to install it. Clicking on OrbitNote may prompt you to log in. From here, we are going to access that PDF that we downloaded from the local system. Click on the icon, go to your Downloads folder with the big blue arrow, and click on that PDF that you just downloaded. Double-click on it to open it in OrbitNote. We'll know we're in OrbitNote because we see the OrbitNote toolbar. We can listen to the text, and we can also interact with the PDF by adding text boxes to type in our answers or using Windows H to dictate it. We can use the markup tool to draw diagrams within there. We can insert shapes or images, and we can highlight words to create vocab or study notes. To find out more information on this, click on the link in the description below. Once you've added your text box or your markup tools and added the answers required, you are now ready to go back into Teams to submit this document. You can exit right out of OrbitNote, go right back into your Teams assignment, and you are going to attach your work. So you're going to click on the paperclip, clip on one more paperclip, and we're going to go to our Downloads folder with the big blue arrow. Click on that PDF that we were just interacting with. Click Open. And now we can click on the Turn-In button to celebrate our turn-in. You have now handed in your completed work.